Inventor 719 here. Today, quick video showing you how to make a very easy airsoft grenade. Probably one of the easiest types you can ever make. All you need is a firecracker, regular, standard 1.5-inch firecracker, airsoft BBs, 6mm, and a hot glue gun. So, all you're going to do, quite simply, just take your firecracker here, and put glue, hot glue, along the side of it. Don't worry, it won't explode. And then get some airsoft BBs, place them like that on your firecracker. I was able to fit 6, just like that, and then do that probably 4 or 5 times. I'll show you what that looks like when it's done. So there's the final product. A firecracker surrounded by 6 sides, each with 6, so 36 airsoft bullets. There's a good angle. So I'll take it outside and show you guys this shooting test. It's pretty heavy too. There's the airsoft grenade right there on the brick. What I'm going to do is I'm going to light it and then place the box, cereal box, on top of it, and we'll be able to see the damage depending on the number of holes created. Okay, ready? Here it goes. And there's all the airsofts. A few holes in the box, lots of dents. So, thanks for watching. As always, please subscribe.